The Ethernet IP status panel has some helpful information when you're using the ACR7000 or the IPA with the Ethernet IP expansion I/O module, the PIO363, which uses the PIO modules. So that gives you an additional analog inputs, analog outputs, special relay outputs, and also digital inputs and digital outputs in addition to what's already on board with the controller. So if you're needing more I/O, the Ethernet IP gives you the capability. The status panel gives you the status of the 7000 controller or the IPA as a scanner. You can have multiple I/O nodes connected to the 7000, the IPA. These buttons here, we can click Discover Network just to go out there and see if we are seeing any modules. I have one unit found. This does not start the actual Ethernet IP network. If you click Start Network, it will become operational as long as it's out there. This is the IP address of that node on my network, and you can see the timer of the operation duration is counting up and that there are no errors. This just gives you a health indication status of the network and any of the I/O nodes on the network. You can also have peer-to-peer communication, so you could have two ACR7000s or two IPAs or a mix and match sharing variables amongst themselves. So this is the scanner information, and this is the peer-to-peer information.